Hi guys, this is Cody with Home Bar Network. Tonight we're going to be doing a cocktail featuring Hella Bitters, Eucalyptus Bitters. Hella Cocktail Company is out of Brooklyn. This is some really delicious bitters. Eucalyptus, coming from Australia, being one of the things that koalas eat, inspired me to create this cocktail called the Gold Coast Gimlet. And we're going to be using banana syrup that we've made here in-house, a little gin, Hella Absinthe, and we've got some fresh squeezed lime juice, and we're going to use egg white as well. And my idea behind this was just kind of using a tropical, fresh play on the eucalyptus, using kind of the dryness of the gin, the sweetness of the banana syrup, and the absinthe and the eucalyptus. The anise from the absinthe kind of plays really well with the eucalyptus. And let's do it. So we're going to start with our egg white here. We're going to be careful not to get the yolk in there, right? Discarded the rest of the egg there. And now we're going to do 1 full ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next we're going to do 1.5 ounces of our banana syrup. And this ended up pretty thick here. This is almost more like a banana puree than it is a syrup. But turned out it's delicious. We're going to do 2 full ounces of our gin here. Bombay Classic London Dry Gin. Then we're going to do just a bar spoon of the absinthe here. Just to kind of add a little bit of background complexity, a little je ne sais quoi. You don't need much absinthe, really high alcohol by volume. It's going to kind of just add some background right there for us. And we're going to do 3 dashes of the Hella Eucalyptus Bitters. We're going to get some ice. We're going to shake this with ice first, and then we're going to strain it out and shake it again to whip the egg white. And we're going to strain this, or rather pour, because we've already strained it all out, directly into our chilled coupe. And do a nice little lime wheel to just sit right there on the rim. Like so. And that is your Gold Coast Gimlet. Cheers, guys.